Hey guys, I'm Justin with CBI Off-Road. Today we're working on our orange Chevy Colorado and we're going to be installing ditch light brackets on it. So we'll show you that install. Let's get started. Alright, so you open up your box and you'll find two of these brackets. One has a D on it indicating driver's side. The other one has a P on it indicating passenger side. So once you get that sorted out, you're ready to install. Our particular model has the strut assist, so we're just going to pull these off just to make it easier so you're not fighting the hood. You don't need to completely remove the hood, just take your time, do one side at a time. But to remove this strut, you just pry this tab forward, and then we have two 13mm nuts here that we can loosen up, slide the bracket on, and reapply the factory nuts. So we'll go ahead and get started on the driver's side. All right guys, that sums up our install of the Chevy Colorado ditch light brackets. They turned out sweet. You can see it's a fairly simple install. Just make sure to maintain control of the hood. We put Heritage BA2s on this one, so we're ready to light up the night. Thanks for watching. You guys know the deal. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thanks.